Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Home Aesthetics by Sauch, and this is Saujanya Kulkarni again back with a new topic in today's video. Before we start, in our previous video we have seen ideas on decorating dining table on daily basis and on special occasions. If you have not watched that video, please click the link below in the description box. This time for your home decor, I have come up with an idea that's going to transform your dining experience. Let me run you through on how to make dining table mats by using decorative sheets, handmade sheets and basically sheets. How? Let's get started. I bought this A1 size textured handmade sheet on which I am going to mark the A3 size dimensions using a scale and a pencil and then cut it by using a cutter. Please do not use scissors as we will not get proper perfect edges. After cutting, I have this A3 size sheet on which I am going to use this lace as decoration, which is actually a reuse from my daughter's old dress. Now, cut the lace according to the length of the sheet and then apply Fevicol to the sheet and spread the Fevicol by using a piece of paper. Also apply Fevicol at the back of the lace and stick it to the sheet and press it hard so that it is properly stuck to the sheet. After the lace are stuck, turn the sheet backside and check whether the lace are properly flushed with the sheet or not. If not, take scissors and cut the extra part of the lace carefully without cutting sheet. Repeat the same process of sticking lace on the other two sides of the sheet, and this is how the sheet looks after completion. We can use the sheet just like this as dining table mat by sticking OHP sheets at the top and bottom of the handmade sheet. Or we can also do few decorations. Let's see. I have these mirrors which I bought them long back for my kids' school work. Now by using these mirrors, I am going to make a pattern on the sheet and stick them by using Fevicol. So, we are done with the decoration of the sheet. Now, take two OHP sheets to stick one at the top and bottom of the handmade sheet. Take Fevicol and apply it on the back side of the sheet and spread it with a piece of paper and then stick the OHP sheet properly. Now, let's see how to stick OHP sheet on the top portion of the handmade sheet. I am not using Fevicol to stick. Instead, I am using this transparent cello tape. Cut the cello tape according to the length of the sheet and stick it in such a manner that only half part of the cello tape is stuck on the OHP sheet and rest of the cello tape folded towards the back side of the sheet properly without having air gaps. Repeat the same process of sticking cello tape on all the other three sides. This ensures that all the four edges of the sheet are properly sealed so that when there is spillage of water on the sheet, the water does not enter inside the sheet. This is how the sheet looks after completion. This was first idea of making dining table mats. Next, let's see the next idea. If you or anyone like me who love to paint, then you will love this idea. This is a special sheet which is used for painting purpose. As usual, cut this sheet to A3 size. Now, leave 1 inch border on all the three sides of the sheet and make a large random pattern of petals so that it is easy for us to paint. If you want to make all the table mats with same pattern, then you need to make a stencil and go ahead with the work. You can also make any pattern of your choice which you feel is easy for you. Now let's start painting this pattern with acrylic colors. I wanted to give dark to light effect of the colors so that it creates interest. Repeat the same process with the other colors also. This is how the sheet looks after the painting of petals is done. Now let's start painting the background of the sheet with black acrylic color. Place the sheet on a piece of newspaper and then start painting. While painting the background color on the sheet, make sure that the surroundings of the petals are painted first so that the gap in between the petals can be easily painted. This is how the sheet looks after the background color is painted. Pack this sheet by using OHP sheets as explained before. So, I have made another table mat. This is the mat. Here, the sheet itself is having lot of decoration, so there is nothing else for me to do. I just brought two types of different lace, that is this brown and silver lace, and I stuck them onto the sheet and packed them in the same manner as I've shown you in the video. Here is a small tip. When we are actually working out with black background, what happens is we can easily see the air gaps here. So if you do not want this to happen, we can actually paste some lace which will match with this particular pattern, and that will do the job, because in this table mat also there are air gaps, but we are unable to see it because of the lace. Hope today's video was interesting. Please like, share, subscribe, comment, and don't forget to press bell icon, which gives you updates on whatever I post on YouTube. So see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.